Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are fitting an Anderson EV charge point at this property. This is slightly different to the normal where we need to install the charger to a position which requires some groundworks. So let's go through and see what the plan is today. We're going to be taking the electrics from inside where the main fuse and meter is. We are going to need to route the cable from the cupboard, which is basically just one room over from the outside wall here. We're going to route the cable over a beam in some trunking, and then when it gets to this outside wall, we're going to run the cable from the inside, drill out low level, and continue the routing of the cable around this way. The cable is going to continue down along this wall to here, and at this point down here, this is where we're going to start the trench. So we need to cross this path and then continue across the grass over to the position where the charger is going to go. And the guys are now starting on the actual trench for laying the ducting in the ground and preparing the ground for the EV charger post to be installed. The cable is going to be routed in the trench to here, and the trench is going to continue over to where the EV charger is going to be fitted, where the hole is being dug for that right now. So post is going to be fitted and concreted into place shortly, and then the stone is going to be pulled back, and that's going to meet the other side of this trench here, which makes its way back all the way up to the house. So then that creates our route all the way from the side of the house where we got the entry into the property. Cable's going to be clipped all the way low level through the ducting all the way through to the EV charger. So a quick progress update. The guys are working hard just down at the post where the EV charger is going to be fitted. They're just continuing digging that down a bit deeper so that the ducting can go in and under the post. It's a root mounting post, so the post needs to be dug quite far down. The top layer of grass and soil has been dug out, and that's been stacked alongside the run of the trench. And now the next part of that is to dig that down deeper and to allow for the ducting to be dropped into the trench. And then when that's done, the ducting will be laid all the way along the trench all the way up to the property. And then we can start the process of backfilling, laying electrical warning tape, and then putting the grass and the turf back over the top. It's now nearing the stage where the hole is deep enough for the post to be fitted. So what we'll do is we'll get the post out in the next few minutes, and that will be dropped into the hole, and we've got bags of postcrete, which is like a rapid setting cement. We've got bags of postcrete that we'll use to fix this post in place. The ducting will need to come into the underside of the post, drop that in place, and probably two or three bags of postcrete will do the job, maybe 4 bags for that. So about 4 bags will fit in here for the post to be fixed into place. So I need to head off to another job, so I'm going to leave the guys finishing this project off. There's going to be a bit more camera roll going on in the background, and then tomorrow I'm going to head back and pick up the rest of the project as far as they've got, and hopefully it'll be finished, and then I've got the completing footage of that.
So we've nearly done the duct outside. We're just working out a route inside, which we're going to go up along the kitchen, in trunking, around in this cupboard, mount the fuse board up here, and yeah, then the wheel's going to go and I'm going to carry on with the GoPro. So we're nearly at the stage where we can start laying the duct. Matthew's done an incredible job of digging this part. This is a bit trickier, it's a lot of stone and brash. Post is done, ready for the Anderson.
So thank you for watching the video today of us installing an Anderson EV charger on a post, which also required us to run a feed from the house through a trench to the EV charger. If you can take the time to subscribe to our channel, it really does go a long way with encouraging us to do more videos, and also hit the notification icon. That will give you an alert as to when our next video comes out so you don't miss one. And we'll see you soon. Take care.